Well, Eileen Durfee is a former real estate agent and home builder who struggled with allergies. And during that struggle, she learned a lot about ways to create a healthy home. And she's here with us this morning to share what she's learned. Eileen, thanks so much for joining us. For those of us, including yourself and myself, who deal with allergies, how hard is it to live with allergies?
It's really difficult. I mean, at one time I was allergic to everything. I mean, anyone who had perfume on or around cleaning chemicals or things in a home as simple as a carpet would cause respiratory distress, hives, skin problems, fatigue, problems sleeping. All these problems are associated with, our environment.
And what can people do? What have you done inside your own home to help with these allergies?
Well, the number one thing is to add some air purification, because basically that's the thing you do the most. You inhale every single second. And so that's our number one risk. So turn your circulating fan to the on position, change your furnace filters regularly, but get an air purifier, especially a plasma air purifier, because they actually clean the particulates that are even smaller than what a HEPA filter can clean. And that's going to help purify the air, reduce those contaminants.
And do you put an air purifier in every room of the home or just the main gathering places?
Well, I have actually a small personal air purifier that I can take with me everywhere, but then I do a whole house and room air purification.
And what about cleaning products?
Yeah, back when I was really sick, that you couldn't go to the department store and get natural, non-toxic. I mean, now everything's go green, go organic. And so, people should realize that those perfumes and all those things and those cleaning products come with chemicals. You can even go to the Health and Human Services website and look up different cleaning products and their ingredients and their possible health effects. And so, go for the natural cleaning products.
And what about non-toxic paint?
Oh yeah, now they've got zero VOC paint, low VOC
And what are
paint.
VOCs? Clarify for everyone.
Volatile organic compounds, which the EPA tells us can cause cancer.
Okay.
And so a lot of these building materials have chemicals in them that outgas, and we inhale them. And so if you can, go with a low or no VOC paint.
And a lot of things that us as parents think about when our children are crawling on the ground: carpet versus hardwood versus tile flooring. What is the best option?
Well, carpets, unless you get the real expensive wool, you're going to be outgassing formaldehydes and chemicals. And so if you can go with a hard surface option, it's much better. A lot of people have carpets, so there are special shampoos, sealers, and locks that you can do to actually seal in so it stops outgassing.
And real quick, it's the holidays. A lot of us bring out the ornaments that have been stowed away for the past year. What is some advice that we can do to make sure that our home is safe during the holidays?
Well, get some air purifiers going and increase your air circulation. The EPA says that if you can achieve above average ventilation rates, 80% of the respiratory distress caused by the chemicals in our home will be alleviated. So that's huge.
And Eileen, you said you've taken a lot of your own advice. You say you feel a lot better. So thank you so much for joining us this morning. Really appreciate you being here.